to LK Fitness X. Let's start off 2026 with a really high energy workout. Here we go, arm goes up the top to start.
I'm a heartbreaker.
2, 3, 4, up, and down. Again. Up, and down. We cross, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Repeat. Down, up, down, and hold. Arm flicks. Left, right. Jumping out. 2, 3, 4. Again, flick. Jumping out. And jump. 2, walking on the spot. Up, down. Up, and 4. All round. All round. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jumping out. Hey, let's go from the top.
Yeah, I'm a heartbreaker.
Up, and down. Alright, this is our last time. Alright, we're doing our crossovers. Cross, up, down, up, down. Again. Last time. And cross. Alright, do those flicks. 2, 3, out we go. Flicking. Alright, for your walks. And down. Woo. And down. Alright, last time. Arms round. Here we go. Let's go from the top.
Yeah, I'm a heartbreaker.
1,